Now, you're here today, sir, because amongst other things, and I have to tell you, the reason I've agreed to take this case is because it's interesting in respect of matrimonial property. A year ago, you got married, correct?
Yes.
Lovely day, just as you wanted?
More or less.
All right, don't go mad, sir. The point is this, over the years, your complaint, especially over the last few years, is that Balthazar has a special interest. He likes to eat certain things, and not always food, especially your rather expensive footwear, correct?
Yes.
What's he eaten?
He's eaten 2 pairs of Timberland boots. And...
Let's have a look.
OK, they're here. Well,
And
this is pair 3, which he started on.
Well, where have they been eaten, sir?
Around the tongue on one of the pairs. But,
well, you can still wear them.
They are still wearable, but the other 2 pairs aren't wearable because they pass through his intestines. Couldn't rescue those.
Understood. You accept, by the way, do you not, that he has a penchant for eating his boots?
He does like leather.
I've got a humping dog that likes leather. Madam, it's 2 o'clock. Balthazar. Well, let's just do a dog test. I mean, if I put the boot in front of him, would he get excited, do you think? Or does he need to be on his own?
I think he normally does when nobody's looking.
All right, let's just have a look. Just try and giving that... Balthazar, look, we've got a gift for you. Let's not... Well, I'll turn around. What's going on, Michelle?
Nothing yet. He's eyeing up the boot.
Now, you don't dispute that he ate the boots, correct?
Correct.
These are very expensive. How much are they? He's certainly destroyed at least 2 pairs, but for your claim, you're claiming for 3. How many?
Yeah,
How much?
They're £150 normally.
So £450,
yes.
Correct? Now, you do so with an agreement. You say, really, this is a matter of principle. You haven't fallen out over it, but ultimately it's her dog. And so she is responsible. But you say there are other animals in the house, correct?
That is correct.
Now, one of the difficulties, it's all very well, but he's rather caused a problem with the amenities in your property. Tell me about the kitchen.
The kitchen, yes, I've got a couple of pictures of our kitchen.
Let's have a look. You spent some time and... How much?
Well, £20,000 on this kitchen.
Right.
And his bed fills the kitchen. I can't open the drawers or cupboards without putting my feet on the mattress and pushing it down and then scraping my foot on the cupboard doors and
You spent
drawers.
£20,000 and ostensibly that's an upmarket kennel.
Yes, exactly.
Part of your response, Dixie, is that's all very well, but his animals, especially his 3 cats, have also caused problems, correct?
Oh, yes.
Especially one cat. What's it called?
Buffy. The one at the front.
What's Buffy done? Has she been going around slaying things?
Buffy slays everything. She does.
What's she done?
She's damaged sofas, chairs, stair posts.
Well, worse
break.
still, you say, as part of your response, live and let live, or pee and let pee, because what's she done with your boots?
She wheezes on my boots.
Let's have a look at the photo. Well, I can't really tell from that, but you're telling me if I were to open
The
it...
dark patch on the right-hand boot, that is a wee stain. And the
Well, there
suede
you
ones
are.
I wash regular.
I understand, and you're not here to countersue, correct?
Correct.
Understood. Vinny, Dixie, you're suing your wife because you say her dog has damaged your property. I want to be clear, if you were cohabiting and unmarried, you would have succeeded in your claim. The reason you would have succeeded in your claim, or would be likely to have succeeded in your claim, is because, as far as you are concerned, lovely Balthazar over there is her property. That's what dogs are in law. And if her property, her dog, were to destroy your property, she is responsible and liable for it. And by the way, had you won, I would have given her the value for her boots in respect of your peeing cats. The difficulty is that once you get married, as you did a year ago, all of the property in the house becomes joint property, including the dogs, the kitchens, and all of the boots, which means you are joint and severally liable for what they do, including eating, peeing, and Very gladly I haven't seen it today. Humping! As a result, sir, I'm afraid to say it, because you're married, I have to dismiss your case. But nevertheless, it's an interesting thing to think about. If you want to sue your partner over a shoe-eating Great Dane, then you need to think about that when you get your prenup together. Don't get married if you want to sue over a humping dog. There you are. 2 o'clock in the afternoon and you've got some advice. Your case is dismissed. Balthazar, it's been a joy to meet you. Oh, he looks so thrilled. For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue of your own, get in touch with us by clicking over here.